All right, so we should have sound now, and we're good to go. Double plugged in the USB-C. Sorry about that. So let's go ahead and chat it up tonight. All right, we had a good week this week. We had a good giveaway. If some of y'all missed that, make sure you stay tuned, you stay close, so that you don't miss out on the next giveaway. Um, but we actually gave away a Mac Mini this week from this channel to one of our subscribers, Jack 8338. I also made a post about it. So definitely check that out. We'll be continuing to do giveaways throughout the year. But all our major ones will be in the school account. That's school.com. And we are Case DevOps Hub. So look forward to that. Later this evening, I'll be showing you some of the things that I'll be providing within the actual school community to help you advance your career, talk about business stuff. And I'm really thinking about whether I should go deeper as far as the business side and letting people know how they can get into government contracts, stuff like that. But I might make that something else. Just because I don't want to get mixed in with the technical side. If you run a business, you run a business. Usually, if you're technical, you're technical. A lot of times, the two don't mix. However, they can, so don't allow that to actually stop you or anything like that. I just want you to be aware so that you, so that it's available to you as an option. So, shout out to Jack again. You know, um, that was a great thing that he actually won. I'm happy for him. I'm gonna give him one of those. Jack he's looking out. The GG guy or girl didn't actually was the first person I had spun for, but they actually didn't come back. So I don't know what was up with that. They did comment later. I said to them, I did reach out to them and say, hey, you might not want to check out the video because you were actually the original winner the other night. That's kind of crazy for them. But again, this is one of the first actual streams of the evening. We're gonna do a workout one. I'm gonna do a little cardio section. Then I'm gonna come back. We're gonna do some technical stuff, and then I'm gonna game a little bit, just so y'all can get a full view and feel of just me and the channel as well, so we can get comfortable together, right? As we stream, do a little more FaceTime with you, so that you know everybody is comfortable with me, and I can reach out, and I can be reachable, so I can answer some of your questions if you have any questions about how you can further your career, any questions about what's some of my favorite techs, some things like that. I would like to drop something too. If you are interested in streaming or video, recording any types of video, and this is not a plug, I wish I did have all the affiliates, but this DJI mic kit, this lavalier kit, wireless mic, are lifesavers. They're excellent. They're very small, as you can see right here, but they're awesome. Here's the main connection piece right here. Goes right there on top of your camera. Or to your phone. It has an adapter for that. USB-C little adapter right here. I don't know if that's adjusting or it's still tracking my face. Let me get up the way. There you go. So you can check that out right there. It was a good Christmas gift I got about a year or so ago. I love this thing. I use it for a lot of my videos when you see me walking around, just so I can have that clarity. But that's something that's neat right there. I just want to present to y'all. If you ever, like I said, streaming, you want to use your phone, you want something clear and responsive, something nice, you want something like this. If you're actually streaming at the desktop, you're going to go ahead and have something, a nice little deck, little stream deck with sounds and pre-recorded things like that. Just got one of those too. I got the G10 mixer. And it's really good. My wife actually got that for me for Christmas, and it was a really good gift for this year. I'm going to actually see if I Jack, my man. Yeah, yes it is. I need to figure out how I can stream vertically too. I know those come up, not just a horizontal live stream. I need to figure out. I know they said that's a feature now. I might have to change that in my OBS studio as I go. How you doing, Jack? I changed my video vertical. I'm not sure how it will come up nicely for the phone. Jack, what you watching on? I heard that, Jack. You tired? Jack, are you watching on mobile right now? What are you watching on? I'm trying to see if I can get my vertical stream on. I gotta test that tonight. Shout out to you, being a big winner. See if I can switch real quick. Just give me a second. Bear with me. See if I can see how this goes. I want to see what they got me looking like on here. So you can come through the phone, but it's not vertical. But that's all right. That's cool. It works. It does what I need to do. All right. Cool. Cool. All right. Oh yeah. So you on the mobile, and that's fine. It's not a problem for you. So all right, good. It looks good. I don't know. They were saying that I can stream vertically now on YouTube. They have those new features. Um, that's cool. That's really good. I'll be right back real quick. All right, it's Friday night. Make sure y'all get something to drink. Kick back. Let's do something. All right, that's great, Jack. Thanks for the feedback. All right, let's get in it. Let's play around a little bit. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna readjust the screen. Let's see what we got going on. See if we can make something shake this week or tonight rather. Oh, I forgot that. I gotta make sure y'all check out the actual Discord too. I know Jack, you were saying you couldn't get in. Did you try again? That's our Discord right here. Case underscore tech. Make sure you get into that. Right. I also have a course I'll be doing. I'm doing I got a forum right here for AWS DevOps Bootcamp. So we're just getting it all out, getting things going for 2026. We're gonna make 2026 a great year, obviously, right? Stream house, good, good. All right, thanks, man. I'm gonna go ahead and share this really quickly, and we can get to it. And we got a lot tonight. I'm gonna do a little cardio session too. People really like that. I don't know if it motivates them or they just like to see me stress and sweat, but it works out, and people tune in for to it. I guess people really enjoy the IRL type stuff. Um, it's a positive space and feedback. But if you're coming in and go ahead and hit that like button, let's get the engagement up. Let's get the draws up, the stream up, right? And we're gonna go ahead and build this thing up. Yeah, I dropped it. Oh, that's a dud too. I should just did that. Should just drop that in the chat to share. We can go ahead and drop that. There we go. That's a good link to the Discord right there. I'll pin that to the top as well. Oh no, never mind. Might have to though. We can replace it. For anyone who wants to join the Discord, let's just go ahead and do that. I usually drop all the stuff in here as well. If I have something going on, if for whatever reason you're not getting the updates, you'll have that. Um, and I just basically put everything here that I put there. We're building it up slowly. We have 31 people in the group right now. Only 6 or 7 or so are active. We're going to keep on pushing for this year. Like I said, this is going to be one of the biggest tech channels on YouTube. I'm going to also start cross streaming to various platforms. We're going to build here. We're going to build an environment that's for learning, for having a good time, and for community, right? For my serious learners, we're going to be over on school. We're going to be over there building and networking together on different moves, different things you can do within the tech industry. Even though everyone has you scared with the AI stuff, you still have time, right? But you're gonna have to execute within the next 3 to 5 years, right? I'm not gonna lie to you or sugarcoat anything. The window is definitely getting tight. Um, whether some of the AI is real or not, you're still gonna have to act because perception is reality, right? A lot of companies and CEOs are betting their companies on AI, even if it destroys their company, if it puts them into a situation where they go bankrupt, because the simple math says if you have something profitable with engineers and engineers are cheaper than graphics cards and data centers, right? Um, keep doing what you're doing and work that route. But at the path they're going, they're just buying up data centers. They're having energy issues. All these costs are astronomical. They're way up here, and their employee base is right here, right? You can treat humans kind of crazy, and they're on a shoestring budget. But with these graphic cards and these LLMs, they are using a lot of resources, right? So just keep that in mind, okay? Jack, let me know how it goes, and if you're able to get in. I don't think I have any crazy permissions right now. I think you have to ask a few questions, and that should be it. All right. I do have my I have Dino regulating the chat, communicating, right? And because you're a winner, I might invite you to one of the premium content chats since you won, and you've been very very responsive and very helpful and supportive. I'm gonna make sure I hook you up, Jack, when you get in here. All right, you're in. Give you a nice little wave. All right, let's move on. Right, I'm about to change the title. Now, I've been thinking about. All right, I'm about to change the chat to coding and SD-WAN solution. Cause I've been faced with this a lot lately. Like, um, what can I do to bring my company more revenue, generate more revenue for my company? I need an application. I need something that I can sell to other vendors. I need something where I can hire people and put my employees in place, right? Also put in more interns, right? So if you are a student and you're in school, I do provide internships as well, right? They are hands-on internships where you will be working with applications, GitHub. Um, we might do a little bit of Jenkins later. Mainly, we'll be doing Docker. You will be doing JavaScript. You will be working on real world applications, right? I'm constantly trying to grow here. You guys need real world experience. There's no need to play around. So I will work with you and I will push you, right? It is competitive. You will have to actually apply, and I'll let you know when the jobs or the internships become available. You need to start looking everywhere now, right? But mine won't be out until like February, March. I need to make sure that I have everything that I need as far as course support. I have to be able to make the description, the job description for that. Also, we'll need a job board that I'm working on. And then, like I said, the SD-WAN application. I would have to have that fully broken apart in an agile method so that we can incrementally do parts that and complete parts that a junior dev can actually handle. Well, of course, you can use some AI, but you're gonna actually need to know what you're doing. AI may steer you down the wrong road sometimes when you're coding. So all that vibe coding stuff is cute, but it might not get what we need to get done. Right? We're trying to generate revenue. We're trying to grow your skill set as well as Case Technologies. Right? I'm not going to sugarcoat anything. This is going to be definitely a quid pro quo situation. You're going to benefit, and we're going to benefit as well. So just keep that in mind, and keep that in the forefront of your mind when it comes to that. So let's go start looking up things like that. For all of you that are familiar with SD-WANs, then you're going to be fine. Or for network automation, um, I'm gonna be working, like I said, I'm gonna be working towards developing that and creating something for my company to have. Let's see here. I don't know why my VS Code app is all messed up, but whatever. I can't even search on it. That's all good. It's all good. How you guys doing tonight, though? How y'all doing? If you just checked in, wave, hello, hit a like button, do something like that, so we can see get the engagement up. I appreciate all of you. We just had an amazing giveaway. Stay tuned for the next set of giveaways. Hey, dang, it's showing my whole EC2 stat. No, that's not a real thing anymore anyway. So let's get out of there. And I'm going to go ahead and pull up a few things. We are clear. So Jack, keep me company, man. What's going on with you? What's new? So we're going to hear. Ah, freeze on that. All right. See, open folder. Documents folder. I'm going to create me a new folder. Um, call it network app. Now I have my network app folder here. All right, I'm gonna open that. And we're just gonna get the basics done, stubbed out, and then like I told you, I still have to work out. I've yet to do that for the day, and then we can come back, and it's gonna be a relaxed time. I'm gonna do a little bit of gaming. I don't know if you guys do any gaming. I'm gonna show some gaming tonight on the channel because we're just gonna kick back and chill. We're gonna get some work done. We're gonna work out, and then we'll go to game. We're gonna do those three things right there, right? I'm gonna show you how to have a productive day, how you can work hard and have fun, right? So you play hard. I mean, you work hard, but you play harder. Remember that, right? I'm gonna sit here. I'm gonna work, get some work done on a Friday night after working all the week. I'm still gonna produce, right? Then I'm gonna work out, manage my health. Then we're gonna game a little bit, right? We're gonna have a good time. We're gonna laugh. I hope we laugh till we cry, but we're gonna have a good time. We're gonna get some stuff done. Yeah, man, I heard that. What do you do for work? Yeah, so I play Madden, Call of Duty, stuff like that. Low key hungry, huh, Jack? Yeah, I had crab rice bowl, crab meat rice bowl earlier. Had to hurry up and eat quickly, get something done. Nice. All right, go Jack. That's a lot. Oh man, students, there's something else. Sure, they have a lot of demands. All right, so create. Let's see, I want to do this. Do I want to go with a Django app right now? Or do I want to? How do I want to see Django side or do I want to React? We're gonna work on the back side, the back end first, not the back side, but the back end. Pause. All right, so we're gonna create a Python. Well, I'm gonna do a new folder first. Let's shrink this really quickly. All right, that. And I'm gonna have to open up a terminal here. Get my terminal going. Make sure you get something to eat, and then come back, man. Make sure you get something. Don't starve yourself, Jack. I know you had a long week. You had a lot going on. About to bring up this browser real quick. Right, and then I need to look for. We're going to use the Netmiko for commands. I'm familiar with that one already. It's easy. You put in the IP address, you hit it like that. I'm also going to have to get to Docker Hub really quickly. And with Docker Hub, I want to see if they have GNS3 or something like that where I can actually have a mock network device like a router or switch, a Cisco router or switch, or Juniper router or switch. And then I can run commands on it. I can get in there, configure it like I need to, and test these commands and make sure that what I'm running is working. Oh, actually, I might just look for a Cisco router. Yeah. All right, Jack, my man. All right. I don't need a telemetry receiver. And this is what you have to do when you're coding and figuring out stuff. You just have to figure it out. All right, so they have iOS XE, XR devices. Here we go. And then we have a VR Net Lab. That sounds cool. Let's do that. All right. CSR Cisco 1000V. See, that's what I need. CSR 1000V, Nexus, Juniper, Nokia, VSR. And it's a 1U, so you can do it like that. All right. All right. So I'll be able to go ahead and build um, my application and then configure it and log in and do everything I need to do based on this repository. So it's saying I have to try. I've never used it before. So this is good. You can also log in via netconf. All right, let's go. Netconf is something I really don't care for. Okay, see all the interfaces and things like that. You. So you have to build them yourselves. Okay. Check the readme. This might not be it. Do we have a GNS3? No, all I need is the CSR 1000V, and I can put that in my while we get set up. I can install that in my KVM server. Might have to log in, so I might have to move this away. Oh, maybe not. Let's see if we can get the XC. They're gonna make me log in probably. All right, so he's type QCal2 Sir EFI QCal SO OVA QCal. All right, I'm gonna go with either one of the larger ones. I need I'm gonna log in off camera. But yeah, we're gonna get it started. We're gonna get going. Gonna get us about 30 more minutes, and then I'll probably peel out for a little bit, and you guys can catch me on the treadmill. And that's what we're gonna be using right there for the Python side of the house. All right. So I'm still logging into Cisco. I gotta reset my password. I haven't logged into a long time. That says on my account. I don't know what my account is. I'm about to badmouth them and they didn't do nothing wrong. Let's see. Oh, you need a service contract for that. Who are still running CSR 1000Bs though? All right, so here we go. Advanced enterprise license and the ISO. I'm gonna just download the ISO. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Accept. Yada, yada. Oh shit! This go is wow. This go all my business. I don't even know that information. What the hell is wrong with you guys? Can't do anything live. I'm telling you, I have to come back and edit this. It's all good. Now I have the download I need, and I can go ahead and install that CSR 1000B. That's where I'm be at. But basically, I want to, when I get Netmiko going, all I'm want to do is I did it wrong. So it'll be from Netmiko import. Make this bigger for the folks at home and the folks on their cell devices, cellular devices. Right there, so y'all can see that. Then I can see this. Want to import. Minimize this, but not another window. All right, there we go. We don't need another tab, another window. All right. From import, from Netmiko, I'm gonna go ahead, import, connect handler. Do my connection request. Make sure everything works. Connect handler host equals the IP address, username. It's gonna be equal. Make it admin. I think it's Cisco. For this device too. Oh yeah, it says the same thing for that. All the devices are like that. Device type is gonna be equal to Cisco iOS, but I think it's an XE device configuration. All right, that's good right there. So yeah, that ironed out. Then we can set up the output like it has here in the same example. Connection dot send command show IP interface brief. They have the entire command there. Print output connection dot disconnect. Right, and you should get something back like what's down here in this lower window. I'll blow this up for y'all so y'all can see it a little bit. This is what you would return on a network device for those of you who aren't familiar with Cisco routing or switching devices. This is what it looks like. Those are the commands you get back: interface, the IP address, the state, okay, yes. Is the NVRAM manual status is up or administratively down or just down, right? And then we wanted to look deeper. Like we wanted to say, okay, all right, we're not using um, a Cisco device. We have to go into the documentation and look. Let's see. Data types for learning for those that are new. And they got what I was talking about earlier, setting up a lab with GNS3, starting your lab environment, VS Code, Ubuntu server. spaces and stuff like that. I don't actually have to do that. I have a device that I use for my servers. My local network. And I just go ahead and go to that. See what's going on. I don't know if I have additional chats. Hey, everybody that's in the chat, go ahead, hit the like button. We're just catching up. All right, just got some good information about some healthcare stuff. All right, that's great news right there. All right, let's get back to it. So, all right, hey out there, I see y'all checking in. Go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't. I have more videos on other technical things. Right now, we're just going ahead. I'm setting up and stubbing out what I'll be doing all weekend here and with the next week. I'll be working on a network automation tool and looking out, building the foundations for an SD-WAN application. If you're into that thing, those type of technical things, then this is for you. We also do a few other things, like I'm about to go ahead and start exercising. So don't log out just yet. I'm just switching over devices. I'll be going to my tablet or my phone. All right. All right. See you.